Hi guys, my name is Asad Iqbal.
Hi guys, my name is Aman.
So we have you seeing our collection of fidget spinners. So the cheapest one is there. The green one. Yeah, he doesn't spin really well, but that's my collection. So the another one, green one. Yeah, he spin well, but not good. The red one, fan one. Yeah, guys, its material is very plastic, but yeah, quite good. So I have you seen my new spinner, fidget spinner, is a golden dragon spinner. So let's see. Yeah, that's a good fidget spinner, and I really like him. And I really like this spinner. Also, bearing was moved very fast. So now the skull one, skull one, red and white skull one. Yeah, this is a really good material. Also metal, like the metal one. It's spin really well. Yeah. So that's our collection, and we have a belt one. You can also wear on a belt and you spin it. So let's see. Is this spinner? Please rotate this, not a belt one. Yeah, you can like this. You can see this.
This time?
Spin not good, but well.
This man.
And now Captain America. So let's see how fast rotates and how long. Yeah, Captain America is very good and good material, like yeah, hypnotize, man, hypnotize. Yeah, you can hypnotize it. Whoa. So guys, this spin really well. So, and one most I liked the skull and bones. I really like this. Yeah, man, I really like this. Really. Material is good, metal, and spins really well. And now the light one. You can blink a light one like this. Oh, when lights,
And the other one, the light.
when the lights off, it's seeing really well. And the last but not least, the mix one. Yeah, it's doesn't spin really well, but yeah, good timing is good. Rotating timing is very well. So guys, if you like this, so please subscribe our channel and like the like one. So okay guys, goodbye, take care, bye.